Hello everyone, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how you can import a model that comes from Pollination Cloud inside Pollination Rhino. Okay, I select for example this job here of my demo project and I can access to this model that I use with this recipe. And you can download directly the file. So right click and click on download file. And the next step, it's pretty straightforward. Take the HBJSON and move it into the canvas of Rhino. And click on open file. And now you can continue to work with Pollination Rhino. Another method is using Grasshopper. So open Grasshopper and use pollination components. In particular, this one here. Check job status, double click, and if you look, I'm reading the same project and also the same job, this one. Confirm with OK, and at this point I can extract input and I can download the model with load assets component. And we are at the same point of before, so I can use directly the HBJSON,
or I can use component from Honeybee, which is HB load objects.
that deserialize the HBJSON. And using this output, I can bake the model. So with Honeybee, pollination model. Now right click and click on bake model. Basically it is the same, but in this case I'm using the bake feature. Okay, thank you for watching.